In every language, native speakers make grammatical mistakes, but sometimes the grammatical mistakes are just part of natural sounding language. Like you and I being native English speakers, we would probably never say, I know I wouldn't, with whom did you go to the movies yesterday? Okay, nobody, that's grammatically correct. No, what we say is, would you go to the movies with yesterday?
Yes.
So, it's like, okay, is that right or is it wrong? I mean, it's grammatically incorrect, but it really is just natural sounding speech. So it's really just subjective. Yeah.
I had that situation 2 days ago. We were recording a video, an English teaching video. And so I was asking the other person, he said something about, we did this. I was like, with who? And then but we're recording an English teaching video. So I'm like, with who?
Oh, wait, that sounds weird.
Yeah. And then I was like, no, with who? And so, yeah, like we know some things are correct, but then still choose not to say them because that's not what people say.
Exactly. Yeah.